Hi everyone, welcome to the week 3 of the Winter Fun collaboration. This is hosted by This and That with Michelle and Crafty Mama. There are 24 of us total. This is the final week that we're making things, and next Sunday will be the giveaway announcement for our respective channels. Now, because of everything going on, I'm going to caveat this with, this video is not intended for minors. And minors in the United States actually is under 18. But specifically, this is not for those under 13. Okay? But as far as winning a prize, you have to be 18, and you're going to have to state that to me should you win, so that I have it in writing, and then you can and do all the other things I tell you. So there's been a secret word, kind of not secret, but a word at the end of the video that you had to use in your comment for week 1, a different word for week 2, and at the end of this video I'll tell you what the word is for week 3. If you comment on every week's videos, you will have a chance to win the projects from every week. So just as a recap, week 1, you had to, you didn't have to. I made these two, they're called Inside Out cards, I believe. Snowflake cards, because after all, this is winter fun, right? And you'll get those. And I made in week 2 these adorable little snowman shaker tags. Okay, so you'll get those. And now let me show you what I did for week 3. This has been a rough week for me with all this FTC and COPPA, whatever stuff going on. So honestly, I made these this morning from whatever time I woke up. Probably I started on these around 5, and it's 8 something now. So anyway, and I did them from kits because I've had these kits here. Now, are these kits kid oriented? I don't know. They don't have any ages on them. I will say the first kit that I used was much simpler than the other one. I went to the website of the company that made these products, or distributed them anyway, and the only thing they had on there was warning, small parts not for children under 3. So who knows? I will tell you, the second kit, there is no way, I don't think a 10-year-old could do it without assistance. I could be wrong. I mean, today's changed since before, right? Maybe they could, but I think they'd need assistance on the second kit. The first one, yeah, they could do. So here we go. The first kit was these Icicle ornaments. And they're, they don't call them pipe cleaners anymore, but that's what I used to know them as. Now, there was a problem with this kit because they told you to cut a 12-inch pipe cleaner into 3 4-inch sections. They told you to put X amount of big snowflakey things here, and then a little bit smaller ones there. 3 of these, and then 3 4mm. But there were no 4mm, and even if there were, the pipe cleaner would not have been long enough to put 4 more on. So I did, it does tell you to use glue, and this is another reason this is not for children, because I used E6000 to make sure it held. Not for children, okay? So anyway, I doubled it up, and I put glue before I put the last bead on, so it would stay. And same with this one. Well, all of these. The second one, I made you an angel, and this was a little bit more complex, guys. This took me a little bit of time. So this can stand, or if you wanted, you could put a hook on and hang it on a tree, or it's hollow in the underneath, so you could even put it on the top of a tree. I think it came out really pretty. It did take me a while to do this because the instructions, they're picture instructions with a few words here and there. There could have been a few more words to go with those pictures in a few places, but I managed. I figured it out, and yeah, so this is the angel that will be available for you to win, because the holidays and things, you know, we think about angels. At least I do. I love angels. I love the idea that there are angels among us and above us. And we sure could use a few angels to help us these last week or two. Anyway, that's what I made. So if you're interested in winning all of these things, oh, another thing about these, you need tools. You know, you need pliers and wire cutters. This one is wire. I mean, this is not intended for young children. This is wire, and some of the pieces are broken, which I'm going to throw those out, and more than just two. But anyway, I used my memory wire cutters. I didn't have to on this, but I got them out to use on the pipe cleaners because I don't want to ruin my good cutters. But you need round nose pliers and chain nose pliers and cutters, so for both of these, and a ruler, because you have to measure the length of the wire. And I'm saving these bits. Maybe I'll make something else with them with my own beads and stuff. And this kit makes supposedly 30. I don't know if that's true or not, but I only had time to do 3, so I apologize. And one angel, and then I'm probably going to make the other 3 for family. But this one I'll give away, my very first one. And so I'm sorry that whoever gets this is the guinea pig, but you know, I'm used to making, let's see, here's a sharp bit on this one. I'm going to turn that in. The plastic is kind of sharp right there. Anyway, I don't know what I was saying. I think I did okay. So yeah, I like how it holds the candle. I think that's cute. Okay, so if you would like to win all 3 weeks of what I made, which I know doesn't seem like a lot compared to what some other people made, but just in case you're interested, the word for this week is angelic. So week 3 is angelic. If you haven't watched my week 1, go back and watch the and see what the word was for that. On that one, I will tell you, I didn't state the word, but I did put up a visible word at the very, very end of the video. Week 2, I did state the word. I might have also put it up, I know I did, in words at the end of the video. And this one, I'm just stating it. So it's angelic for this week. Now also, the drawing is on December 1st, which is Sunday. But I have to cut the comments off at Friday at midnight. So Friday... Oh, let me see what that is. I think it's the 29th, but let me just double check. Yes, Friday the 29th, midnight Eastern time. I'm cutting off the comments on the 3 weeks of videos because I need Saturday to go back and look at everybody's comments and see who commented all 3 weeks and get all that information together so I can do the drawing on Sunday. If I have time, there is still one other thing I wanted to make relative to week 2. If I have time, I will still do that and add it to the box. I'm thinking all these I'll put in a small flat rate box. And I may throw in a few other crafty goodies that most of us crafters would enjoy. Smaller things, but something that you might enjoy. So anyway, those are my projects for this week. Just an angel and some, this guy's a little twisted, but it's a pipe cleaner. You can straighten it out. Oh, and I put, it said it didn't come with the stuff to hang them with, but I used beading fireline, beading thread, 6 pound. These are real light, and just tied it. I put it through the pipe cleaner and tied it. You can take that off and put a hook on if you so desire, but I think they'll be fine with that on. And it's white, so it doesn't show up. It's actually not, it's called crystal. So there you go, crystal for crystals, right? Alrighty. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to go check out all the other collab members. And I'll be back later today with my other collab. Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed everybody's projects. And to all of us crafters, hang in there, guys. I think perhaps I overreacted. I don't know, but that's for another video. And hopefully I'll be here still in January. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching.